Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about the ED endings. They have three distinct sounds: D, T, and ID. And here are some words with the hard D sound. The man cleaned his house because it was dirty. I called the restaurant and ordered pizza. I used a screwdriver to open the can of paint. And here are some examples for the T sound. The kind man helped the old lady across the street. He laughed at the funny joke from the comedian. The little girl danced in the hallway. Here are some examples for the ID sound. I wanted to eat a hamburger for lunch. I needed to finish my homework. I decided to paint my office white. Okay, awesome! If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit the like and the subscribe buttons, and I will see you next time. Bye! Ha ha ha!